Hi,
Hi,
yeah, are you
hello.
from, yeah, are you from India?
Yes, I'm from India. What about you?
I'm from Cambodia.
Oh, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So your name is Ajab, ơi,
Aj-
Aj,
A- Ajay, Ajay.
Ajay, Ajay,
Yes.
yeah,
And may I know your name? What's your beautiful name?
yeah, you can call me Sushi.
Okay, Susni. My
Su-
pronunciation is good. Susni.
Sushi.
Sushi.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, are you a student?
Yes, I am a student and working person, both. I can say I am both.
So how old are you?
Yeah, I am 22 years old. What about you?
22?
Yes, 22.
Uh, I'm 21.
Oh, you are 21.
Yeah.
Yes, but you are looking like a very different 24, 25 like this.
Uh,
I'm joking. I'm joking. No problem. Okay, so are you married or unmarried?
no, I'm I'm still studying.
Oh, you still studying. Okay, so what are you pursuing?
Yes.
What
Can you
are
say it again?
what are you pursuing? What are you studying?
You asked me about my major.
Yeah.
Uh, I study accounting and finance.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I can understand. And how long have you been on this application? How long?
Around 2 months. What about you?
Yeah, I am new on this application. I don't know that much how to connect and how to make friends. But I am trying to make friends on this application whenever I get time, according to my time.
Yeah. So you a new member.
Yeah.
So how you ever met people in from Cambodia before?
Before,
Yeah, I asked you how you ever met people from Cambodia before.
actually, are you talking about this application or something like that?
Yeah, I asked you. You used to met me in the first time, uh, and people
No,
from
no, no, no. You are not a first time. I have talked with many people, many strangers, YouTubers also.
yeah, yeah,
I am also YouTuber. Do you know?
yeah.
I am a YouTuber. I am a YouTuber. Right now, I am recording your videos and I will upload my YouTube channel.
Oh, you have YouTube channel.
Yes, I have a YouTube channel where I post conversational videos. Okay.
So what is your name of your channel?
Yeah, my channel name is Ajay Dilwala Official.
Can you write it?
Ajay Dilwala Official.
You can write in the screen. Yeah, is
Okay. A J A Y.
yeah,
AJAY space
Yeah,
Dilwala. Dilwala.
yeah, 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 yeah. I
Dilwala
got it.
official.
Yeah,
OFFL.
official.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
maybe you would be seeing on my YouTube channel. I have just got 501 subscriber.
Uh, I wish when I finish this conversation.
Yeah, please subscribe my channel and comment on my videos.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, if you comment on my videos, I will remember you. Yeah, that person was maybe she has commented on my videos.
yeah. So talk about the topic. Tell me an incident that happened in your first job.
Hmm. Yeah, incident still now I can't say because I am working person, so I don't go somewhere to visit and watching something. I just work in a company. I don't go. I don't like traveling.